Hello, this is Stephen Davis, and I am using Screen-O-Matic. It's the first time I've used it. I just did a test recording, and the sound sounded terrible. So I'm hoping this recording will be better. If not, I'll have to ask them tomorrow in the class. But I've always used YouTube, or rather I've used I've used Zoom recording quite often. So this time I wanted to try and do something different. So I'm trying the Screen-O-Matic. So here I go. So this is a template that I gave to the students. So I just want to use this as my example. This is the cover page of the template. This is the body of the template for their assignment. It has introduction, the different main headings and subheadings, as you can see. Then you come all the way down to the end of the paper where I have the conclusion, and then I have the references that are done with hanging indents. So I'm hoping this works. Thank you very much. Bye.